Okay, today we're putting the dogs, this is from Amazon, washer agitator dogs. This is a Whirlpool, Kenmore, actually, which is a Whirlpool model. Now this type has a top on it like this with the bottom part here. So you pull this off. Now this one's a little unique because there is a center part that consists of this. So you stick this is a 1/2 inch drive ratchet, so you stick it in the top of it to unscrew it. It fits down in here. So to take the dogs out, there's this piece of plastic here. There's a couple little snaps. You got to just put a screwdriver in them to pop them out. Then you put your new dogs in. Take and flip it back over. I put the date on them so I know how long they last. Line it up with the splines. Drop it in. And then you take this part. It has a spring. It goes down in the middle. Like that. Then you just turn it down. Till it's snug. It's not, you don't want to get it super tight because it's plastic. Then check it. See, now it grabs. So that works perfect. Then you put your top plate back on. Make sure your rubber seal or your seal's still in there. Put your top plate back on. And you're ready to wash. Now this is an older washer. This is April 1997. But it works like a charm. Bought it for 300 bucks 20 years ago. So there you have it. Putting the dogs in your washer is not that hard. These things last probably 10 years depending on your water and usage. So hope that helps. Have a good one.